Hi guys, welcome back to a Just Was English channel. Today our topic how to build your confidence. So my dear guys, if you want to build your confidence, so you need to just focus on your goal. If you have great goal, if you have great task, then you can increase your confidence. First of all thing, if you want to increase your confidence, so you need to work on your career. You need to work on your goals. If you work yourself daily, then one day you can increase your confidence. But if you don't learn and every day, then you cannot increase your confidence. First of all, the my dear guys, confidence is very most important for every human being. Without confidence, you can't achieve your goal. Because if you have confidence, how to increase your confidence? So my dear guys, if you want to increase your confidence, so you need to work on your communication. You need to work on your career. You need to work on your task. If you have confidence, then you can make great speaker. You can make great answer public speaker. You can make great answer anything. So confidence is very most important for everyone. Thanks for watching my video, guys.